Hello friends, and welcome to another video of a factory tour. Friends, do you know what the most commonly eaten breakfast in India is? Can you make a guess? Well, did you guess right? It is Poha. It is full of vitamins and a good source of calories and helps to control the blood sugar level. It is also called chira, flattened rice and pounded paddy. You may have also eaten Poha for your morning breakfast. But have you ever thought how this healthy Poha is made in the factory? Well, we will find out, and with this, I will also tell you where to get more information about how you can start this type of business. So friends, let's unbox the Poha making factory, Madhev Food, Chhattisgarh, where healthy Poha is made for us. The amazing process of making Poha starts from its raw materials, in which good quality paddy or milled rice is used. First of all, the paddy is cleaned and impurities such as sticks, leaves, straw, fine sand and dust is removed from it. After cleaning, destoning is done to remove any stones or pebbles from the paddy. Now the paddy is ready for further processing. Here we see the paddy being roasted and soaked. After roasting, the paddy is added into a machine for removing the husks. And finally, it is made flat by pressing. Friends, you are now watching how Poha is made from paddy. Isn't that an amazing process? After that, the outer surface of the Poha is hardened with the help of a flaking process. And due to this, even after soaking for a long time, the Poha does not break. Friends, our Poha is ready for customers. It is cleaned and packed. Finally, the Poha is ready for our healthy breakfast. For more information about this business, please provide your details on the link given in the description and our team will assist you. To see the Poha making business documentary, visit IID's YouTube channel or website. The link is in the description. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of a Poha making factory. Which process did you find most interesting? Please comment below. Subscribe to us for more factory unboxing videos, like the video and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Stay connected, be updated.